Hello viewer, Google Messages rolling out new real-time location share feature. Now you can share your real-time location. When you share your real-time location, people can see your name, profile picture, real-time location and your battery status. So let's see how to use real-time location share feature in Google Messages. First, you need to open your Google Messages app. Now choose a contact and click on plus icon. Now see real-time location, tap on here. Now click on send. Now the question is how to stop sharing your location with a specific person. Go back, open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on location. Now click on location services. Now click on Google location sharing. Now go to this link. Now click on stop real-time sharing.